In front of me is ONEPLUS Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can edit a password in Google Passwords Manager. First of all, just open Devices Settings and scroll all the way down right away to access Google section. If you have more than one Google account on your ONEPLUS, click on it over here and tap on the preferred one. Then tap on Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Now click on the one that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Over here, you need to select Edit button next to Delete and make your changes. Then, to save them, just click on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!